Ferrari. The name evokes images of sleek, powerful machines, roaring engines, and the thrill of speed. But Ferrari is more than just a car company. It's a symbol of innovation. From its inception, Ferrari has been at the forefront of automotive technology, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Enzo Ferrari, the company's founder, was obsessed with speed and performance. He believed that the car was an extension of the driver, a tool for achieving ultimate control and exhilaration. This philosophy has guided Ferrari's engineering and design ever since. Each new model is a testament to the company's commitment to innovation, a fusion of cutting-edge technology and timeless Italian craftsmanship. Ferrari's pursuit of excellence has resulted in some of the most iconic and sought-after cars in history. From the legendary 250 GTO to the groundbreaking LaFerrari, Ferrari has consistently set the benchmark for performance and style. But the company's innovations extend beyond mere aesthetics. They delve into the very heart of automotive engineering, revolutionizing engines, aerodynamics, and materials. In the world of supercars, standing still is akin to falling behind. Ferrari understands this better than most. That's why the company continues to invest heavily in research and development, constantly seeking new ways to enhance performance, efficiency, and driving experience. This dedication to innovation ensures that Ferrari remains at the pinnacle of automotive excellence, a beacon of speed, power, and technological prowess. At the heart of every Ferrari beats a powerful engine, a symphony of mechanical precision engineered to deliver exhilarating performance. Ferrari's engines are renowned for their high horsepower, responsiveness, and unmistakable sound. They are the result of decades of refinement and innovation, a testament to the company's mastery of combustion engineering. Ferrari has been a pioneer in the development of high-revving, naturally aspirated engines. These engines are known for their linear power delivery, instant throttle response, and spine-tingling exhaust notes. They are a purist's dream, offering an unfiltered connection between driver and machine. However, Ferrari hasn't shied away from embracing new technologies. The company has been at the forefront of turbocharging, developing sophisticated systems that boost power output while minimizing turbo lag. These turbocharged engines offer a unique blend of raw power and efficiency, delivering breathtaking acceleration without compromising fuel economy. Ferrari's latest masterpiece is the hybrid powertrain found in the SF90 Stradale. This system combines a powerful V8 engine with 3 electric motors, delivering a combined output of 986 horsepower. The result is a car that can rocket from 0 to 60 mph in a mere 2.5 seconds, while still offering the efficiency of electric propulsion. A Ferrari's performance is not solely determined by its engine. Aerodynamics play a crucial role in shaping a car's handling, stability, and top speed. Ferrari's design philosophy is deeply rooted in the principles of aerodynamics, resulting in cars that are not only beautiful, but also incredibly efficient. Every curve, every vent, every spoiler on a Ferrari serves a purpose. The bodywork is sculpted to minimize drag and maximize downforce, ensuring the car stays glued to the road even at high speeds. This meticulous attention to aerodynamic detail is what allows Ferraris to achieve their blistering performance. Ferrari has been a pioneer in the development of active aerodynamic systems. These systems use electronically controlled spoilers and diffusers to adjust the car's aerodynamic profile depending on the driving conditions. This allows for optimal downforce and drag reduction, enhancing both performance and efficiency. The LaFerrari, Ferrari's flagship hypercar, is a testament to the company's aerodynamic prowess. Its bodywork is a masterpiece of aerodynamic efficiency, featuring active spoilers, diffusers, and underbody channels that work in harmony to generate massive downforce and minimize drag. Section 4. The Art of Lightweight Strength, Materials and Construction. The pursuit of performance extends beyond engines and aerodynamics. The materials used in a car's construction have a significant impact on its weight, handling, and overall performance. Ferrari has always been at the forefront of materials innovation, constantly seeking lighter and stronger materials to enhance its cars. Ferrari was one of the first automakers to embrace carbon fiber. This lightweight yet incredibly strong material has revolutionized automotive construction, allowing for significant weight reduction without compromising structural integrity. Carbon fiber is now used extensively in Ferrari's cars, from the chassis to the body panels. The use of aluminum is another hallmark of Ferrari's construction techniques. Aluminum alloys offer a favorable strength-to-weight ratio, making them ideal for various components, including suspension parts and engine blocks. Ferrari's expertise in aluminum construction is evident in the lightweight yet rigid chassis of its cars. Ferrari's relentless pursuit of lightweight construction is exemplified by the 458 Speciale. This track-focused machine features extensive use of carbon fiber and aluminum, resulting in a dry weight of just 1,290 kilograms. This lightweight design contributes to the car's exceptional agility and responsiveness. Section 5. The SF90 Stradale, a technological tour de force. The SF90 Stradale is a testament to Ferrari's unwavering commitment to innovation. This hybrid supercar represents a convergence of cutting-edge technologies, showcasing Ferrari's mastery of engine design, aerodynamics, and materials science. The SF90 Stradale's hybrid powertrain is a marvel of engineering. It combines a 4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine with 3 electric motors, delivering a total output of 986 horsepower. The electric motors provide instant torque and enhance acceleration, while the V8 engine delivers the signature Ferrari roar and high revving performance. The SF90 Stradale's aerodynamics are equally impressive. Its bodywork is sculpted to generate maximum downforce and minimize drag, allowing the car to achieve blistering speeds while remaining stable and planted. The car features active aerodynamic elements, including a movable rear spoiler that adjusts its angle depending on the driving conditions. Ferrari's expertise in lightweight materials is evident in the SF90 Stradale's construction. The car's chassis and body panels are crafted from carbon fiber, resulting in a remarkably lightweight yet incredibly strong structure. This lightweight design contributes to the SF90 Stradale's exceptional performance and agility. Section 6. Maintaining the edge. Ferrari's innovation legacy. Ferrari's legacy is built on innovation. From its early days as a racing team to its current status as a global supercar icon, Ferrari has consistently pushed the boundaries of automotive technology. The company's relentless pursuit of excellence has resulted in some of the most iconic and technologically advanced cars ever created. Ferrari's commitment to innovation is evident in its continuous investment in research and development. The company employs a team of highly skilled engineers and designers who are constantly exploring new technologies and materials. This dedication to pushing the envelope ensures that Ferrari remains at the forefront of automotive engineering. Ferrari's innovations are not limited to performance and efficiency. The company is also a leader in safety and driver assistance systems. Ferrari's cars are equipped with advanced safety features, including electronic stability control, traction control, and anti-lock braking systems. These systems work in harmony to provide drivers with maximum control and safety. Ferrari's legacy of innovation is not just about creating faster and more powerful cars. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible, constantly striving to create the ultimate driving experience. This unwavering commitment to innovation ensures that Ferrari remains the benchmark for supercar excellence, a symbol of speed, power, and technological prowess.